Pisces, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm going to do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth. So many good vibes from me to you guys. So, yeah, Pisces, let's see what is coming for you guys from 1 to 7th of March 2021. Okay, so let's see what is coming for you guys from 1st to 7th of March 2021. Okay, guys, let's see what is coming for the Pisces people from 1st to 7th of March 2021. First week of March. Ooh, I've seen that Two of Cups. Okay, and the Ace of Cups. Wow, this is great. So true love of your life. Ace of Cups, Two of Cups. So I'm feeling that there is a new love coming for you, which is going to be a long-term partnership with this Two of Cups. Let's see. This is great. Let's get the deck for you guys. This is for the Pisces people from 1st to 7th of March 2021. Okay, guys. Five of Wands. Six of Pentacles. King of Swords. Ooh. This is the Aquarius energy. King of Wands. So two kings are here. Okay. Nine of Cups. Page of Wands. Page of Swords. Three of Wands. Six of Wands. Page of Pentacles. Okay, so we have so many pages here. I'm feeling that this is going to be a very fresh and new start. Definitely. This is the Ace of Pentacles here for you guys. Wow, definitely this is something new for you. Going towards a very stable and beautiful connection you are, and this will be long term. This will be like very stable, because King of Swords is here, which is very loyal and very true kind of partner, like very authentic kind of person you are going towards. Okay, so with this Ace of Cups and the Two of Cups, I'm feeling that this is like universe is showing you an opportunity. Okay, blessings you with an opportunity in which you are going to have this love partner, and they are, I'm feeling that, very very authentic towards you, and at the same time they have passion for you. Very true, very loyal, very like that. They want intimacy with you, they want everything with you, Pisces. With this Five of Wands, I'm feeling that so many people are in competition with you, okay, which they really want to be your partner, but I'm feeling that you're choosing the right one with this Ace of Cups energy, and then that will be long-term partnership for you, which is because I'm feeling that this is very true love kind of situation. So many people are for your attention. They are like competing for your attention. Okay, so Six of Pentacles, King of Swords, and the King of Wands. These three cards are telling me that you are very balanced and you want someone like you. Okay, so you are very very authentic. You like want to equal give and take in the connection, in the relationship, because you don't want to overgive. Okay, because you know that when I am overgiving, then the situation and the connection becomes toxic. So you are preventing that connection from toxicity. That's why you're very authentic and you're attracting that kind of person of the same frequency. With the King of Wands, you also want to show this person that you have passion for them, and they are also showing that to you back. Okay, this is like mirroring kind of energy. Nine of Cups, Page of Wands, and the Page of Swords. At the same time, your wish is going to be true, because you are doing only those things which are making you happy. This is like your focus right now. Like you are just doing only those things which are making you happy, and you're also learning about new things with the Page of Swords. Maybe you are I'm feeling that looking on the social media of this person, and they are also like showing looking at your social media accounts. Okay, something like that. Three of Wands, Six of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. So whatever is in your mind right now, you're manifesting, like whatever is your manifestation right now, that will be very very successful, because you are putting it on a new kind of pattern. Okay, you are starting it with a new method, you are starting it with new thoughts, new ideas. Okay, that's why this is now working for you. Let's see what is this Five of Wands here for the Pisces, please. Ten of Wands, Patience, Ace of Swords, beautiful. So we have two aces right here, and wow, here is the Leo, the Sun card. This is beautiful energy for you guys. Maybe some of you are dealing with a Leo. Sagittarius is also here. Yeah, Leo is here. Aquarius. Okay, the person who are actually the people who really are competing for your attention, you're not looking at them because you're very focused on yourself. Okay, with this patience energy, you are, this is also Jupiter, which rules you, Pisces. I'm feeling that you are also very, very focused on your healing. You are building up a strong connection with the divine, and you want some kind of true messages. So some kind of true and quick kind of communication is coming for you. Maybe this is a message you want for your convenience to make a decision for your life. Yeah, let's see, what is this King of Swords here for the Pisces, please? What is this King of Swords here? Knight of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups. So Virgo is also here. I'm feeling that the person you're dealing with, or you're going to be in the connection with this person, they are very, very steady. They are very, very stable. They have money. They have everything. They just want to be with you. They just want to utilize their time with your presence, in your presence. They want you to be present in their atmosphere, present in their surroundings. Okay, they want to be with you. That's it. Maybe this person has told you already, because they are very, very clear. They are no BS, nothing like that. And also they are not beating around the bush. They are just very, very clear communication they are having with you. Okay, so let's see. What is this Page of Wands here? Okay, this really wants to come out. Strength, beautiful. King of Pentacles and Knight of Wands. Okay, so definitely someone who is a Leo, or they have strong Leo in their chart. I'm feeling that the person is stable. They have passion, they have stability, they have everything. We have 3 kings here except for the King of Cups. So I'm feeling that they love you a lot, and with this King of Pentacles, they are stable. They have money, they have passion for you. They are communicating with you very authentically, or in that authentic kind of way, because they don't want to hide anything. They are very strong. They just don't want to hide anything from you. They're telling you even their deep secrets. Yeah. Let me see. They're telling you even their deep secrets. Wow. Queen of Pentacles. 8 of Swords. What is the 6 of Wands here? Okay, the Queen of Pentacles is actually telling me, wow, Judgment is here. For the 6 of Wands, 8 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles. Great. Okay, we have 3 8s here. 8 of Swords, 8 of Pentacles, and then 8 of Cups. So I'm feeling that maybe Pisces, you have been in a loop. You have been in a karmic kind of connection for a very long time, but now you are cutting that out with this Judgment present here. Now you really want something new. You really want to come out of this kind of stuckness. You really want to put in your work, effort, and energy, in which you know that will give me results, in which you know that will give you that satisfaction which you really want, which you are wishing for. Okay, so I'm feeling that you're making up your decision, that which is giving me success and happiness, I will go for that. So this is your thinking right now, that I want to go towards that thing which is not making me stuck and which is also making me happy. That's great. So wow, this is a partnership you are going towards, in which you are stable, they are stable, and both of you are very, very strong. Strength is here. You have fought with your demons, they have fought with their demons. Like, both of you have that dark night of the soul, and now this is the time for the union. Yeah. Decision, you need to make your decision, because whatever sign or signal you are wanting from the universe, you are wishing from the universe, that is coming for you. You need to make up your mind. Okay, universe is helping you. So this is I have for you, Pisces. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.